In this video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT conversations for free. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. ChatGPT still doesn't provide an option to download or archive the chat history. But there is a Chrome extension called Superpower for ChatGPT that can help. It can help you download a ChatGPT chat in text, JSON, and Markdown format. Install this from Chrome Web Store. After that, it will open ChatGPT automatically, and it will start syncing your chats, so give it some time. Once the chats have been synchronized, you can start using it. Open any chat and let it load. In each chat, you will now see the export option at the bottom right side. On hovering, it will show you an option to download the current chat in different file formats. So if you want to download the chat in text format, then choose the text option. A text file will be downloaded and you can open it to see the contents of the chat. In the same way, you can choose some other export options such as JSON. A JSON file will be downloaded on your PC, and you can open it to inspect it. Keep using this extension in this way to download the entire ChatGPT history in different file formats. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel, and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.